Well, today I'm gonna be switching out the actual Uconnect for this Tesla screen from Nifty City, and I'm gonna try to show you all the steps to switching it out and the wiring and how it looks before and how it looks after, so y'all can go check them out. I'm gonna leave their name down here and also drop the link to where y'all can purchase the screen, and y'all can save a couple bucks by using the code RAM5. I'm gonna leave it somewhere in the screen right here too. And I believe for this installation, from some previous videos that I had seen on YouTube, you're gonna be needing some plastic pliers, or I think that's what they're called, so you don't damage anything. It's pretty simple. Pretty much gonna get it under the screen bezel and pry it. And once you pry this plastic piece out, I believe what you're gonna need from other videos that I have seen is a 7mm socket. I think it's like 4 screws holding the actual radio. Then disconnect the wires behind the radio, and then we'll go from there. But I'm gonna do all that first, and then I'll show you the screen and what it comes with, how it comes packaged. I'll get back with you in a minute. Okay, well, I was able to remove this plastic piece. And once you remove the plastic piece, there's this wire. So you're gonna have to unplug this wire. You unplug it. Now that you unplugged it, you can go ahead and remove this this piece right here. Put it to the side for now. And like I said, there's I believe 1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding it. So we'll go ahead and remove those, and then we'll go from there. Once you remove the screws, you're able to pull it out, and you're gonna have to disconnect all these wires, all these connectors right here. Disconnect them so that we are able to remove the whole screen. Okay, now that we actually removed the actual screen itself, I'm gonna show y'all what comes included in the Nifty City screen package. What they sent. Pretty much this is all the wiring that you're gonna need. And also this is the screen. Let me take it out and I'll show it to you in a few seconds. So this is the actual screen, so y'all can see. And these are where you're gonna be connecting the, I believe these right here, these connectors. I believe they're gonna be like right here, the ones that we just removed. But this is the back. It's supposed to be plug and play, but we'll see how hard it could be or how easy. These are all the connectors. And again, this is the screen. I believe it's a 12 or 13 inch. Not really sure, I don't really remember, but let me go on to the next. And also it comes with this. So you can install a SIM card into it. I believe if you want to have like Wi-Fi or service in it, you can take that little insert out and put your SIM card in there and put Wi-Fi in it. All right, so once you've pretty much connected everything, I mean, it's pretty simple because all the connectors to all the different wires are different sizes. So like, for example, this one wouldn't fit on here, or this one wouldn't fit here or here or here. Like, they're all different sizes, so it's pretty simple. And also this one right here, it says antenna, I'm guessing. That one goes to this one, the beige color one, white or whatever. And then of course this connector right here goes back right there. I mean, all you do is plug this into here. And for the audio, you're gonna want to connect aux R into the one that says aux R, and this one aux L, and then connect it to the one that says aux L as well. And then for the backup camera, couldn't really figure it out at first, but you're gonna plug in this one right here, this one is for the, it says reversing. You're gonna connect it to this right here, CCDV. And then of course I think this is like for your GPS signals and all that. This is for GPS, I believe. I mean, this one goes connected to the USB port over here. I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, all you gotta do is connect it, plug it in, and make sure that everything works properly. I'll show y'all. Let me put it back up here and try to put it on, and then I'll check it out, make sure everything works like it should. The thing I forgot to mention before I hook it up and stuff, this wire right here, this is for your like video calls or whatever, the mic. So you want to run this somehow so you could put it somewhere, so that way whenever someone calls you and stuff, you're able to like talk to them. If not, you're not. I don't think the screen actually comes with built-in mic, so just a heads up. So this is the Nifty City screen. It's really neat, to be honest. Very high quality, very nice. And also the made sure everything was working, from GPS to I mean, of course you got to be connected to Wi-Fi or a hotspot. And also the what's it called, the CarPlay, it's also working fine. Let me show you. So I'm trying to look at the screen and look at the phone, make sure I'm recording correctly. But I mean, everything is working like it should. The AC is, I mean, this is pretty neat as well. It changes colors. I'm not sure if you can actually just leave it at one color, but you gotta have the headlights on for that. Yeah, I mean, that's the Nifty City screen. Like I said before, you hook everything back up. Make sure you check everything for your audio. I mean, your AC. If y'all have any questions, make sure to hit me up at rammedup 5.7. And remember to use my code RAM5. They have big Tesla screens for pretty much, I mean, almost every model. I mean, from trucks, SUVs, cars. Really cool. I mean, very high quality as well. Make sure y'all go check them out. I'm gonna leave their Instagram right here, and also their website somewhere here, and also leave the link in the description so it can take you straight to their website. Thank you for watching.